Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on your phone's mobile hotspot and confirming the SSID and password so you don't guess later. Once done, make sure your TV has Wi-Fi capability or Wi-Fi Direct enabled in settings, because wired TVs need a Wi-Fi adapter. You should also keep the phone charged and close to the TV, about 10 to 15 feet, so signal strength is reliable while you complete the pairing steps. On the TV, go to Network or Wireless Setup and scan for available SSIDs. You'll see the phone name you set as the hotspot. You select that SSID and enter the hotspot password exactly as shown on the phone, caps matter, then start the connection. Once the TV reports connected, open a streaming app or the TV browser to test bandwidth. If a prompt asks about network type, choose Home for full access. This avoids you finish by optimizing the hotspot. Close background apps on the phone to free bandwidth, and set the TV to use lower streaming quality if data is limited. If playback is choppy, move the phone closer or toggle the hotspot off and back on. Switching the hotspot band to 5 GHz can reduce interference if both devices support it. If you still fail to connect, restart both devices and check your carrier's hotspot limits. Sometimes providers throttle or cap tethering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.